Good morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly tech review of Bitcoin and this week Ripple's XRP that was last week's trailblazer. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages and the weekly support, resistance and pivot levels. Jumping into Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, it's a relatively bullish start to the day as the market settled from Sunday's sell-off. Going to need to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 11,032 levels, however, to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 12,119. Going to need to see support from the broader market for a breakout from last week's high that was 12,097. So barring a broad-based crypto rally in the week, we'd expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, should see Bitcoin begin targeting 13,000 levels. We got the second major resistance level sitting at 13,184, however, to limit the upside. A fallback through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 9,967 into play. Barring another crypto sell-off, however, we should see Bitcoin avoid sub 10,500 levels in the week. Looking at the MACD, we've got a slight narrowing of the bullish histograms, suggestive of a possible pullback. However, when we're looking at the moving averages, we've got the 50 widening against the 100 and 200 supportive of another breakout week. So key through the early part of the week will be for Bitcoin to avoid a fallback through to sub 11,000 levels. Pivot level will be key at 11,032. Moving across to Ripple's XRP against the dollar. A bullish start to the day, with Ripple's XRP reversing Sunday's pullback. Going to need to see Ripple's XRP avoid a fall through the pivot at 27,434 to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 33.95. Going to need to see another broad-based crypto rally for Ripple's XRP to break out from last week's high 32.62. So barring another breakout week, that first major resistance level should cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, could see Ripple's XRP test the second major resistance level sitting at 39,135 and resistance at 0.4. A pullback through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 22,250 into play. Barring a crypto meltdown, however, we should see Ripple's XRP avoid sub 0.24 levels. Looking at the MACD, widening of the bullish histogram supportive of another breakout week, and we've got that bullish crossover on the EMA supportive of a run back through to 0.3 levels and to target the first major resistance level early in the week.